Hello dear admin. So in this video we can learn how can we set up a manual discount code in the Shopify native checkout where a single discount code is used, like different percentage apply on the different collection. So for that you have to use FAD sell automatic discount application, where you need to create a 2 or 3 whatever the collections you want to go for in which you want to apply the discount. So I just created the 2 collections. One is for call 1 and one is for call 2. And then after, once you install the application, here is the dashboard of the application where you need to create a discount button. Just go for the create discount and click on the volume discount. Now here you have an option like it needs to be an automatic offer or it's a discount code. So if you want to go for the discount code, then you have to select this one, and now you can set the discount code whatever you want to go for. So here in my case I just set discount call, and at the bottom you can see there is a offer details are there. So here you can set call 1, like whatever the offer name you want to go for, then select the collection, choose your collection like call 1, add product to the cart, and here you can see 1 quantity percentage and 10% off. Okay, now if you want to add another collection which is like the same discount code but different percentage, then you just need to click on the add discount tile. Here you can set call 2, where you can set the collection, choose your collection call 2, and here you can set 1 quantity and fixed percentage like 20% off. Okay, and when you create this offer, it means like it is generated discount code in the Shopify checkout, Shopify native function, where discount call is this is your discount code, and the call 1 with the collection 1, if the product is there from this collection, then it will apply 10%, and if the product is from second collection like the call 2, then it will apply 20% off. Let's test this offer in the front end. So here we go, and now I'm going for the collection call 1. I add this product in the cart. This is the call 1, so this is the product from call 1. Add to the cart, it's a 629.95. now I'm going for the call 2. This one is a call 2 product. I'm going to add this product in my cart. So I have 2 products. This one is a call 1 and this one is from the call 2. Now I'm going for the checkout and apply the discount code which is used in native checkout of Shopify. So it is not like somewhere around cart widget or something. So you can apply the discount code here, and when you apply it, it applied different percentage on different collections. Like you can see, this is the 10% of this one and this is the 20% of this one. So a single discount code is applied different percentage in different collection, works with the native checkout of the Shopify. I hope that is help you. Let me know if anything else. We are here for you, happy to help. Thank you.